In this video, I'm going to show you how to link and transfer crypto between Coinbase and Phantom Wallet. Now, for this video, I'm going to start off by sending Phantom Wallet to Coinbase, and then later on, I'm going to show the reverse way from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Phantom Wallet, then go ahead and press on this option that does say send. Then go ahead and select on the asset or cryptocurrency that you're trying to send over to Coinbase. So for this video, let's go ahead and work with Solana. So I'm going to go ahead and select on Solana like so, and then it is going to open up a menu that looks like this. And from here, you need to go ahead and paste in the Coinbase wallet address for that specific asset. So from here, let's go ahead and open up Coinbase really quickly. When you load into Coinbase, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom menu, select on transfer and press on receive crypto. Then go ahead and select on the asset that you're trying to receive. So again, we are working with Solana throughout this whole video. So let's go ahead and press on Solana like so. And then all we need to do is we need to go ahead and copy our Solana crypto address. So go ahead and press on that. And then go back to Phantom Wallet and then just paste it in really quickly. So my screen is black because I'm entering my password. Okay, so all you want to do is you want to go ahead and paste it on the search bar. Then go ahead and press on it next. And from here, you want to go ahead and select on how much Solana or how much of the cryptocurrency you actually want to go ahead and send over to Coinbase. So this is completely up to you. You guys can go ahead and set the maximum amount. And that is honestly pretty simple. Now, if you wanted to send crypto from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet, here's how you would do it. So you would go to the bottom, then go ahead and press on transfer, then press on send crypto. All right, and here's how you do it the other way around. From Coinbase to Phantom Wallet, you want to go ahead and press on transfer one more time, then you want to go ahead and press on send crypto. But this time, let's go ahead and actually save our Phantom Wallet address in advance. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up Phantom Wallet like so. I'm just going to go ahead and log in really quickly. So in order to get our address, all we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on this option that does say receive. Then we can go ahead and select between all of these. So this is going to be like the base of what we're going to be receiving. So again, let's work with Solana. So let's go ahead and press on Solana. Then let's go ahead and press on copy like so. Then now that we have that address, we can go ahead and go back to Coinbase and then use it to actually send crypto from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and press on send crypto now. Then in the top, it is going to actually give me the option to paste in the Phantom Wallet address. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that really quickly. But basically, once you entered in the wallet address, then you guys can go ahead and select on what asset you're trying to send. So again, we're working with Solana, so we can go ahead and press on that. And from here, you guys need to go ahead and pick how much Solana you want to send to that Phantom Wallet account. And it's honestly that simple. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.